So I just wanted to show y'all all the brands of dip powder that I used. The Serendipity brand was the first brand that I used, which I really like this brand. Like, it's not a professional brand, but it's a really good product. The Kiss as well, like the colors were really pretty, and it's a really good product. They lasted a good amount of time. The Azori, which comes from Amazon. Actually, these three I got from Amazon. The Kiara Sky Model 1s and Azori I got from Amazon. The Kiara Sky, the color was okay. And I don't know if I should have used this particular system with mixing different brands because the color came up kind of sketchy. But it still looked nice. It gave like a tie-dye effect, but I wasn't a big fan. But out of all of these brands that I've tried so far, this one has lasted the longest. This is what I have on right now, and I actually have polish over top of it, but I did my nails before Thanksgiving, and they've been on for a month, and this one finally is starting to lift up because, as you all know, I do hair, and the hair finally slid under and lifted up. So I'm about to do my refill, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. I'm not sure. I know I'm going to use this one right here, but I'm not sure how I'm going to touch them up or whatever, if I'm going to put designs on them. So I'll come back and show you all after I'm done. But if you're looking for longevity, definitely go with the Model 1s.